Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at something that is rather unique as far as get home bag, bug out bag, and medium to large survival kits go. All three of those are basically very different creatures, but this is something that belongs in all three of them. Granted, if you live maybe 10 minutes away walking from your job, you don't need something like one of these in your get home bag. If you live half an hour away or an hour away driving, then yes, you will need something like this, because on a beautiful day, that half an hour, 1 hour commute might actually even be enjoyable. When a natural disaster strikes, or God forbid another terrorist attack, all of a sudden the roads might be closed, and that half an hour or 1 hour commute home on foot is literally going to take you hours, if not all day. And if you live even further away from work than that, it might stretch out into days. So one thing you will need, bare minimum, is a metal container that you can use for boiling suspect water that you come across. Now, you might have some water on you. It might not last you your entire trip trying to get home. And especially in a natural disaster, you should treat any water source that you find as being suspect. The easiest way to deal with suspect water: take a bandana, strain the water through the bandana and into something like a metal cup, and then boil the water that's in the cup. Now, ideally, you should have a cook kit in your bag, and that's going to be something that we will explore in upcoming videos. But if you don't have a cook kit, bare minimum, you've got to have a good metal cup that you could use for boiling water. And right here we're taking a look at two examples of an excellent metal cup. Now, these two are exactly the same, except the cup on the left is from GSI Outdoors. It's their 20-ounce glacier cup, although realistically it's closer to 19. It might be 20 ounces if you fill it all the way to the top. And the cup on the right is an Ozark Trail brand that is also rated for 20 fluid ounces, but realistically, once again, 19. Now, the cup on the left, again, that's the GSI one. As you can see, it has mostly a matte or brushed stainless steel finish, and the Ozark Trail cup on the right has more of a polished finish. Also, it might not seem that obvious, but the lip on the Ozark Trail cup on the right is just barely taller than the lip on the GSI on the left. Now, you might be wondering, well, if they're both the exact same cup, why should I pick one over the other? Well, I told you guys I would be honest with you, that I wouldn't lie to you, and I'm not going to lie to you. I have an extremely low opinion of Walmart. We're not going to get into it, otherwise this is going to turn into more of a political discussion. But there are numerous examples. Numerous examples out there that has led me to conclude, and this is just my opinion, that, well, I've come to the conclusion that I don't like Walmart. I don't. However, I'm not going to lie to you guys. The GSI cup or mug on the left will cost you $12.95 on Amazon. It will cost you $12.95 pretty much everywhere. So basically 13 bucks. 13 bucks. Obviously, that's not including shipping and handling if you order online. But yeah, the GSI mug/cup rated at 20 fluid ounces on the left will cost you $13. The Ozark Trail stainless steel cup mug that you can buy at any Walmart, $5. Not kidding. You're probably saying, well, there has to be some sort of other difference between these two than the ones I've already outlined. Nope. No other difference. They're literally the same cup, the same folding handles. The difference is the lip on the Ozark Trail is just barely higher than the lip on the GSI. The GSI is brushed stainless steel. The Ozark Trail is polished stainless steel. 13 bucks on the left, $5 on the right. So that's the major difference. Oh yes, there is another one. On this one, if you tighten the handles in the extended position, oh, that pops out. Well, I guess that's what you get when you buy something that's cheaper. Oh wait, that's the more expensive GSI version. Let's take a look at the Ozark Trail Walmart version. Here are the handles. Here's me extending them as far as they'll go. Yeah, they don't pop out. This one is actually made better. The cheaper, identical twin product is made better than the more expensive name brand product as far as the handles go. So there you go. You need a metal cup, mug, or container for boiling water. You absolutely need one in your bug out bag. You need one in a medium to large survival kit. And quite frankly, unless you live maybe 10 minutes away walking from your job, you're going to need one in your get home bag. Do I recommend the GSI? Nope. Unless someone gives you one as a gift, you're better off going with the Walmart version. Please ignore That bottom portion, I've actually used this for boiling water. I haven't used the GSI. And in case you're wondering, just like the GSI, yes, you can nest a 32-ounce Nalgene bottle very easily in the Walmart version, just as you can in the GSI one. So there you go, guys. $5 versus 13. It's your decision. I know which one I would pick, even though I have an extremely low opinion of Walmart. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.